Welcome back to the channel. If you are a dedicated cyclist or just someone who enjoys a smooth and efficient ride, you know how crucial it is to maintain your bike's drivetrain. One essential component that can make a big difference is a chain deflector. This handy device helps protect your bike's gears from damage caused by debris, chain drops and other issues. Today we are diving into the bike chain deflectors to protect your gears in 2025. Each of these deflectors offers unique features and benefits, so let's find out which one might be the best fit for your bike. At the first position of our list, we have Moxy mountain bike chain deflector. The Moxy mountain bike chain deflector is a standard option known for its durability and effective performance. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, this deflector is designed to withstand the rises of off-road riding and harsh conditions. Its robust construction ensures that it can handle impact from debris and falls, keeping your chain and gears well protected. In terms of design, the Moxy deflector boasts a sleek and minimalist appearance that seamlessly integrates with the bike's frame. Its slim profile ensures that it doesn't add unnecessary bulk or weight, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize both functionality and aesthetics. The deflector is also adjustable, allowing you to customize its position for optimal protection and performance. Installation of the Moxy deflector is straightforward. Thanks to its universal fit, it comes with all the necessary mounting hardware, making it easy to attach to a variety of bike frames. This feature ensures that you can quickly upgrade your bike's protection without any hassle. Durability is a major highlight of the Moxy chain deflector. Its high-strength aluminum alloy construction is built to last even in the most challenging riding conditions. This ensures that you can rely on Moxy deflector to keep your drivetrain in top shape for years to come.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
At number 2, we have DLOULP Bike Chain Deflectors. The DLOULP Bike Chain Deflector offers a practical and effective solution for protecting your bike's drivetrain. Made from reinforced plastic, this deflector combines lightweight design with exceptional strength. Its construction ensures that it can handle impacts and debris, keeping your chain and gears free from damage. One of the standard features of the DLOULP deflector is its ergonomic design. It integrates seamlessly with most bike frames, providing a clean and unobtrusive look. The deflector's design also allows for easy installation with a quick setup process that requires minimal tools. This makes it a great choice for cyclists who want a reliable solution without spending too much time on installation. The DLOULP deflector is also designed for versatility. It fits a wide range of bike setups, making it a versatile choice for various types of bikes. Its shape and material provides excellent coverage, helping to prevent chain drops and reduce the risk of gear damage. In terms of durability, the DLOULP deflector is built to withstand rough riding conditions and adverse weather. Its reinforced plastic construction ensures that it remains effective over time, making it a dependable choice for both casual and serious cyclists. Next up at number 3, we have Mwave Chain Deflector. The Mwave Chain Deflector is a premium option designed for cyclists who demand both performance and durability. Constructed from high-grade aluminum, this deflector is built to handle the toughest riding conditions. Its robust design effectively shields your chain from impacts and debris, ensuring that your drivetrain remains in excellent condition. One of the key features of the Mwave deflector is its adjustable design. This allows you to customize the fit based on your bike's frame and specific needs. The deflector comes with all the necessary mounting hardware, making installation a breeze. The adjustment options ensure that you can achieve optimal protection and performance. The Mwave chain deflector excels in terms of effectiveness. Its steady construction and high-quality materials provide superior protection against chain drops and gear damage. The deflector's design also helps to reduce noise and improve overall riding comfort by minimizing chain slap and impact. Durability is a strong point for the Mwave deflector. Its high-grade aluminum construction is designed to withstand rough terrain and challenging riding conditions. This makes it a reliable choice for cyclists who want long-lasting protection for their bike's drivetrain. The number 4 position is held by Dilwe Bike Chain Deflectors. The Dilwe Bike Chain Deflectors offers a reliable and effective solution for safeguarding your bike's gears. Made from high-strength plastic, this deflector is designed to be both lightweight and durable. Its design provides excellent protection against chain drops and impacts, helping to keep your drivetrain in optimal condition. the Dilwe Deflector features an easy-to-install design, making it a great option for cyclists who want a hassle-free upgrade. It fits most standard bike frames and comes with all the necessary mounting hardware. The deflector's shape and material ensures that it provides effective coverage, helping to prevent chain damage and reduce the risk of gear issues. In terms of performance, the Dilwe chain deflector excels at reducing the impact of debris and chain drops. Its high-strength plastic construction is built to withstand rough riding conditions and adverse weather, ensuring long-lasting performance. This makes it a dependable choice for both casual and serious cyclists. Durability is a key feature of the Dilwe Deflector. Its reinforced plastic construction ensures that it remains effective over time, making it a valuable addition to any bike setup. Overall, the Dilwe Bike Chain Deflector provides solid protection and performance at a competitive price. The number 5 position is dominated by Origin 8 Chain Deflector Black. The Origin Chain Deflector in black combines functionality with style. Made from durable aluminum, this deflector is designed to offer superior protection for your bike's drivetrain. Its sleek black finish not only enhances the look of your bike but also provides reliable performance in various riding conditions. The Origin 8 Deflector features an adjustable design, allowing you to customize the fit based on your bike's frame and specifications. The installation process is straightforward, with all necessary mounting hardware included. This ensures a secure fit and effective protection for your bike's gears. In terms of effectiveness, the Origin 8 Chain Deflector excels at preventing chain drops and reducing gear damage. Its robust construction and high-quality material ensures that it can handle rough terrain and challenging riding conditions. For cyclists looking for a combination of style and functionality, the Origin 8 Deflector is an excellent choice. Durability is a strong point for the Origin 8 Deflector. Its aluminum construction is built to last, providing reliable protection for your bike's drivetrain over time. Whether you are a casual rider or a serious cyclist, the Origin 8 Chain Deflector offers great performance and protection. Next up, at number 6, we have ihreesy Bike Default Chain Deflector. The ihreesy Bike Default Chain Deflector is a highly effective option designed to protect your bike's gears from damage. Constructed from durable plastic, this deflector is both lightweight and steady, making it a practical choice for various riding conditions. Its anti-fall design helps to prevent chain drops and reduce the risk of gear damage. The ihreesy Deflector features an ergonomic design that integrates seamlessly with most bike frames. It is easy to install and adjust, allowing for a customized fit that ensures optimal protection for your bike's drivetrain. The deflector's shape and material provide excellent coverage, helping to keep your chain and gears in top condition. Durability is a key feature of the ihreesy Deflector. Its high-strength plastic construction is designed to withstand rough riding conditions and harsh weather, ensuring long-lasting performance. Overall, the ihreesy Bike Default Chain Deflector offers reliable protection and performance, making it a valuable addition to any bike setup. And that wraps up our review of the top 7 bike chain deflectors to protect your gears in 2025. Each of these options offers unique features and benefits designed to keep your bike's drivetrain in top shape. Whether you are dealing with rough terrain or just want to enhance your riding experience, these deflectors are worth considering. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more expert reviews and buying guides. Thanks for tuning in and happy cycling!